Welcome to iOS Insights, your go-to channel for iOS app development using Swift and SwiftUI. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an experienced developer seeking advanced techniques, this channel aims to provide you with valuable insights and knowledge. Today's tutorial is about sets. A set is a collection type that stores a collection of unique and unordered elements of a specific type. This means that each element in a set must be unique and there is no specific order in which the elements are stored. Sets can be useful in situations where you need to store a collection of values without duplicates and you do not care about the order of the elements. And this is the application that we will be creating to demonstrate how to use sets in SwiftUI. As you can see, we can search and filter the set by typing in a name or a value or a character. For example, Alice, that filters on Alice's name. Or if I type in B, that'll filter on Bob, and it displays the amount of records found within the set. And if a record isn't found, for example, if I just type in this, it'll come up with this other screen to say that the character has not been found, the cartoon character has not been found. So this is the application we'll be creating within this tutorial. Within Xcode, create a new class called cartoon character. So just right click and then select SwiftUI as a file. Click on next and type in the name of the class, which is called cartoon characters or cartoon character. Let's type in class cartoon character identifiable hashable So the purpose of using hashable is that Swift provides a powerful way to work with hash-based data structures and ensures efficiency when doing lookups and comparisons. Let ID equals UID. So this auto generates a unique ID. And the purpose of using identifiable is to enable the actual data to be looped around within the list. Let name string. Let ID number int. Let image the string. So the image is the character's image, the cartoon image. and then we need to create an initializer. Just type in init name string ID number int image string. Self.name equals name. Self.id number equals ID number. Self.image is equal to image. Next thing we need to do is to create another function, and this function is a static function. So we just type in static function equals LHS cartoon character RHS cartoon character, and then it should return a boolean. And then what we need to do is type in return LHS ID is equal to RHS.ID. So what this does, it allows you to perform operations like searching, removing duplicates, and checking memberships efficiently. And how this is achieved is that it checks if the ID of the left hand side, which is LHS, and the right hand side, which is RHS, characters are equal. So if the left hand side and the right hand side of the IDs are equal, it returns true. If the IDs are equal, indicating that the characters are considered equal. So that means they're the same object. And next thing we need to type in is hash function, which is func hash into hasher in out hasher. And then we type in hasher dot combined ID. What line 27 does, it combines the ID of the character into the provided hasher. This ensures that the character's ID is included in the hashing process. The hasher will use the combined value to create a hash value for the character. Next thing we need to do, type in another function, which is another static function called character list set, and this just returns the cartoon characters as a set with no duplicate data, and all the characters or all the information is all hard coded, but really it should be coming from a web service like an API or a database. So just type in set open bracket and then type in cartoon character, and just type in John give it an ID, 1, image 1, and then I'll just copy and paste this from the cartoon character to the end of the close bracket. Just copy and paste this, put a comma there, and repeat it twice, and then change the values. So just call this image 2, ID number 2, and for the name just type in Alice. For the third record just type in Bob for the name, and ID number type in 3, and image type in 3. So what that does between line 31 and 33, it creates a set of character objects containing a list of predefined characters. Each character is initialized with a name, ID, and image name. The set ensures uniqueness of characters based on their properties. And then the actual return statements, it just returns the actual character objects that we created, which is here on line 31, that just returns the actual objects. That includes the set that was created. It's a good idea to use a set, especially if you're working with or using large sets of data, because a set doesn't allow duplicates, it's unordered, and the performance is much better compared to an array. Next week we will populate the actual GUI, the lists, with data that's coming from the array, so that you can see the cartoon characters, their names, their ID, and you can filter using the list. And then it just shows you how a set works and how the data can be manipulated within the set. So that's what we'll do next week. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.